Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is the relationship between Quran and biology. رب زدني علما وجعلنا من الماء كل شيء حي. We made every living thing from water. Surah Anbiya verses 30. We know that water makes the 60 to 70% of the composition of protoplasm of all living things. The above verse hints at common origin of all living things in water. As Allah ordered human beings to think at the hints given by Him, we should study living things so that the mysteries of their origin can be revealed. Second ayat. خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار. He made men from clay like the potter. Surah Rahman verses 14. When we think at hint given in both these verses, we find the event that occur in the creation of human being. Allah also hint at the method of the development of animals, including beings. Thanks for this. Okay, Allah Hafiz.